up guys, here's Clutter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to empty the cache memory out of our run in a very simple, fast, effective and free method. This is a performance guide for Windows, okay? How to check how is your cache memory going. Right click on your mouse button into this start panel, go to text manager, go to performance, memory. Mine cached is 1.4, but it would be very much. It was on 16 some minutes ago before I doing this. How to clean it up? Go to your navigator, type run map on Google, go to this first result, microsoft.com. It must be on microsoft.com. It's really important. Scroll down and click right here to download the program, okay? Then go to your downloads folder, open the zip file and extract the program from here. You can extract the program that works on your Windows, okay? In my case, it's gonna be this one, so I'm gonna click and move it to the downloads tab. Mine is already there. Yours gonna be looking like this. Open it and say yes. You're gonna open a page almost like this one. It used to take a couple of minutes to load, nothing to worry, it's gonna take time to load. Then reveal the empty folder right here and click on empty standby list. This is gonna clear up your cache memory and free space and saves performance from your run, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.